cuma dua ya? Ini mainnya aja ya?
Ada bebek goreng, bakar, betutu sama asap Bu untuk menu bebek.
Oh, saya biasanya bebek goreng yang kering gitu kan.
Iya.
Kalau betutu diapain ya?
Crispy.
Steam.
Iya basah cuma nggak berkuah. Kalau ada betutu.
Enak nggak? Lebih enak mana yang kering?
Kalau yang favorit sih yang
Assalamualaikum.
Hai, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hai Miss Aini,
Ini
hai
Kakak
Miss
Sandy.
Umami.
Halo Kakak.
Miss Sandy. Hai Miss Umami.
Halo Miss
Okay,
Aini.
so
Nice to see you here.
okay, it's already 1 o'clock. Hello everyone who's already joining us. Shall we start right now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, thank you Miss Aini and Miss Umami for joining us today. So we would like to introduce me as a host from Stephen Studio. My name is Shandy Amanda, and we have two beautiful ladies here. I would like to introduce Miss Aini. Her full name is Kurato Aini, licensed Stephen promoter. She's a fresh graduate, Al Azhar University, Cairo, majoring in Arabic
Wow, so
literature.
good.
Wow. She's also part of Tim Muda Inspiratif Consulting, an Islamic self-development consulting. She's interested in Islamic self-development and Arabic literature. She loves solo traveling like me, but I cannot
Me
go
too.
solo. She likes to go backpacker, such as Umrah backpacker. So she's you'll go on an Umrah backpacker next, right? To Turkey as well.
To Turkey after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, tomorrow.
Okay.
Wow.
Welcome Miss Aini, and we also have Miss Umami as our trainer, licensed Stephen.
Thank you. Miss Sandy.
Thank you for people. Maybe they are still having lunch, so we'll just for our viewers. So we'll join maybe later on. And how are you, Miss? Are you feeling great today?
Yes,
Alhamdulillah. Great.
very well.
So Miss Aini is already in Indonesia now.
No, I'm in Cairo.
Oh, still in Cairo. Okay.
Still in
How is
Cairo, yeah.
I'm like to Turkey. After the Turkey in April, I'm in Indonesia.
Oh, wow.
Welcome
We can meet
back.
up. Are you in Jakarta?
In Bogor.
Oh, in Bogor. Me, I'm in Depok.
It's nearby Jakarta. So we have to meet up
Okay.
later.
We should
Yeah.
meeting.
Yeah, we should. Okay. So, Miss Umami, would you like to tell us about what Stephen concept is?
Yeah, I think that everybody knows already that stitching is a concept, a test to what is it? Determine the dominant brain of being human. And stitching is based for 5 dominant human, like what is it? Namely, sensing, thinking, intuiting, feeling, and also what is it? Instinct. And today we will explore a lot about one of them, which is Aini here. and she is intelligent. What is it? Feeling introvert. Is it right?
Feeling introvert.
Yeah,
Yes.
feeling introvert. Well, we will have a good discussion here because we have the expert one in feeling introvert. I think that
Yes.
you're feeling. I mean, you're what is it? Yeah, feeling introvert. Okay, Mas Andy.
Miss Umami, where can we find more about information about Stephen?
Sure, we can find more in YouTube Stephen Studio, and there is so many information about Stephen also.
Okay, I see. So, Miss Aini, nowadays in the millennials, there are so many stressful things going on, especially after this pandemic, right? So this affects to a lot of people, and so many what you call this? So many methods they use to control the stress and everything. Like Muslim people, they pray tahajjud, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think about this? How do you handle this during the stress moment?
During the stress moment, I never use any drugs, but there is here some empowering what some emotional intelligence techniques that are techniques for recognizing and managing emotion, turn them into more positive behavior that more empowering. So change what in our mind, so what in our action to positive behavior. That's so in an emotional quotient model, there is six second. This from 6 second method. And this turn the theory of emotional intelligence to practice for your personal and professional life.
Okay, so this is by your experience, right? Handling all this.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So the emotional intelligence is the capacity to combine thought and feelings for optimal decision making, which is key to success in relationship yourself and others. Because I think the emotional is so important for us. If we cannot drive, if we cannot steer our emotional intelligence, it may be a problem for ourselves.
Yeah, that is really true. So, Miss Umami, what do you think about this?
Yes, Miss Aini. Uh, because you stay in Egypt now, and there is different culture between Indonesia and Egypt, right? So how
Yes.
you're what is it? How you're optimize your potential birth and addressing mental and psychological problems, especially.
Oh, okay. After I do big test and after I know that I'm feeling introvert, so I also have used this method. Now I will think first. Uh, the emotional no one know as a process in converting emotional intelligence skill into action. That's right. The six
Yeah.
uh, a competitions of the emotional intelligence six method, which is divided to three parts. First of all, choose yourself and give yourself. So now I will tell about this study. The first method is know yourself. When you know yourself, know your strength and challenge, know doing and know what needs to be changed. This might be who am I? Who am I? In second we know. So the second is how. It explains how you act, how it affects yourself to other, and how the concept, uh, how to how to doing this concept, this concept in our life. So the third is why. When you give yourself, be clear, full, and full of energy, so you can focus on what you respond in a certain way, why it moves in a new direction, and why others should also follow. It's that by the method. How, who, and
Oh, okay. Very good. I thought that very good step for you. You have 3 steps, right? To handle
yes.
to manage what happened with you. And then can I ask another thing? Maybe not about it. Maybe it's out of topic. Is it about Egypt? Can we, Miss Sandy?
Yes, sorry.
Okay. Okay. Miss Annie, what is it, the point of differences between Jakarta or Bogor and in Cairo and Cairo? Is there any? I mean the big thing that you face there, it's become from differences between Jakarta, Bogor and Egypt. Cairo especially.
That's for me. Or is it?
Yeah, yeah. No, for you.
Sorry. Can you repeat your
Oh.
question?
Because you have 3 steps to face your problem there, to manage your problem there. Can I, what is it? The biggest problem that you ever faced when you study in Mesir, what is that?
The big
The
problem
biggest problem, yes.
for me, that's the biggest problem. When you don't have any talking in person in a day.
Okay.
So or you feel so yeah, food for food. So you just need sharing, you just need talking with others, just choose your friend. So uh, in feeling introvert, we have mood. Mood but don't until must be up. It must be up. So when my mood up, I can do anything. But when my mood is low, then I cannot do in a day.
Miss Aini, I would like to know, in Egypt, mostly they speak Arabic or also English?
Yes. Arabic in part and in a part of them. So and part of them too they speak English. I speak Arabic too. Arabic Fusha and Arabic we
Okay.
speak Arabic Fusha in college with our collegian and with our teacher. So when we go to what is it? Souk.
Souk is pasar.
So,
Yes.
I lived in Abu Dhabi for 4 years.
Wow.
okay, so you're good in Amia too then.
Yeah, and so many. I have friends from Egypt as well.
Can you speak Amia?
No, I speak. What do you call it? I forgot what's their local Arab. I forgot.
Yeah,
It's different.
Amia
Different.
word. Okay.
Arabic in Emirates is different.
It's different.
Yeah,
So,
even their bad words are different. So we were like learning. Yeah, we were taught bad words in different Arabic languages. So funny.
yes, yes. So, when we say English is with our friend from like Singapore, but they also spoken Melayu. Mm-mm. From Turkey, from Russia. Maybe in a part we say English. So when when riding Uber, so in a part.
But in the souk, in the market, they don't understand, or some of them understand English.
No,
You have to speak Arabic, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
I speak Amia.
Yeah. Another. I mean, there are like 2
Another,
types of Arabic. Yeah,
yeah.
I know. I understand. Wow. So how do you like you said, if I'm not in the mood, I don't feel like doing anything. Yeah. But if I'm in the mood, I feel like doing anything. Do you feel homesick?
Of course. Of
Have you ever visiting home in yet?
No.
Wow.
Every 2 years, I go to
Every 2 years.
Indonesia. Yes, I go to Indonesia. So
So,
last in Indonesia it when 2019. So and now I will go for
so how many years have you been in Egypt?
5.
5 years.
5
Wow.
years.
So you are planning to come back here when?
Tomorrow
Next month,
I
right?
go to Turkey. So to April next month I'm in Indonesia.
Wow. But you
Ramadan.
have but you have to go through the COVID-19 protocol, right?
Yes, do I
So
have done it.
yes, they have after. And Amy, can I ask about between you and Stephen? This is when you first time you know Stephen. When you the first time you know
First
Stephen?
is when 20 and 17. 20 and
Okay.
17. So 20 and 17, I felt maybe I wrong to choose my faculty because felt it felt very difficult, so very dizzy. So maybe Arabic literature with with the subjects, I feel difficult in it. So I choose to test it. Oh, my strength and my weakness in emotional. Then I had to choose. I will do this strong, my strong, for positive or negative. Then I choose it for negative. So when I know I'm feeling, then I choose myself to be consultant in Islamic self-development and how the first process is being promoter. My first being promoter is in 2018. 2018 till now. And through the first process being promoted, the experience in I've been can solve another problem to solve my to make a problem is solved. Trying to up level of yes, we know for MAPO personality, morality, personality, morality. I get the third
Spiritual,
and
mental, spiritual.
last personality.
Okay. So you're the one and only promoter in Azhar, right?
Now we have 4, but I'm the
Oh,
first.
this is for women. Okay.
So,
So it
Miss
means you
Irene, I
have
just would like. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, I just
So
would like
it
to ask.
means okay, please.
I would like to ask. In Egypt, do you have any other friends from Stephen Promoter?
Yes, I
Oh,
have another which is TBN promoter. Mm, they graduate is after me.
Oh, okay. How many people are there?
Except me is 3 people. Uh, and 1 woman.
Oh,
So
okay.
after this is will end again. So I hope Turkey in Turkey after I coming from Turkey, there is promoter also in Turkey.
Wow.
wow. So we'll bring Stephen to your journey, right?
Yes, inshallah.
Yeah.
So last night
Yes.
I'm hearing about Stephen with her friend in Turkey. Yes, too.
Okay. I ever see your Instagram. Sorry, I'm calling you. I ever see your Instagram and what is it? I saw that you in big forum with what is it? Many students there talking about Stephen. What kind of event that one?
Uh, uh, because I feeling, so I used to make sharing. I have to make sharing, right?
Okay.
In of the time, I make sharing with with our friend here who having testing, so sharing about problem. So we sharing about concept, other, but feeling more like story, story
Oh
about
yeah.
story about their life, story about why they feel hard to study, and why. And I love to listen them.
Okay. So you are so feeling, right? You
Yes,
feel so feeling.
because that's my refreshing. I don't know when I
Oh
feel
yeah.
bored, when I felt bad mood gitu. So after that, I'm talking with someone, even not me, not I talking, I'm talking, but I'm just listening, make me happy. So after that, my mood can be up again.
Wow.
Okay. So you just like listen to other people, right?
Yes, right.
So
It's so
Miss
happy
Aini, I
for
would like to
knowing
know.
ourselves.
That's
Yeah,
after we know ourselves, it just be easy for refreshing
yeah,
from our problem.
mm, yeah. So after you said after you know yourself, what's the impact thing that affects you through your emotional intelligence? Like how do you treat yourself to give yourself the best? What do you do?
Uh, as I tell, the first process I choose is being promoter because
Hmm.
from being promoter, I got to give known the person this your way, this. Uh, after every people know their way, they thanks to me. So when they thanks to me, I feel okay. Let's we know again. Let's we know again
Hmm.
what's your potential. What your potential. So from being promoted, after that, I choose myself to being Islamic self development consultant. After that, uh, from before 20 to from before 2017, felt myself is follow another people. So after that, I felt I felt better than before. The first thing I felt is I can I can decide I can decide I can decide what I want, what I need, and what I want to be.
Oh, okay. Nice answer.
Yes. We're so happy for knowing ourselves and then we can help others too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Man araf
So
nafsuhu takut araf arabahu. Who knowing herself that he uh knowing Allah. Yes, because
And also,
when we do alillah, uh, so our action is Allah, Allah, Allah.
okay.
subhanallah,
I
very good,
I
very
would
good.
like to say I would like to say hi to our viewers. Hello, everyone. If you would like to put down some questions, please feel free. This our guest is feeling introvert, Miss Aini. She's in Egypt right now. So, Miss Aini, Miss Umami, what do you think about Miss Aini right now? I mean, I heard that
Yeah,
she just told us. She said she likes to listen to other people, right? And now she's like a consultant, right?
yep, yes,
Yes,
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I mean that's
yeah.
just so
I think that's
good.
good. What is it? I think that you choose the what is the best part of you because you are feeling and then you knew yourself already and then after you know yourself you ready you joining consultant, right? You becoming consultant and then you ready for what is it, helping each other to know themselves too. I think that's this the what is it, the good, what is it, the best way for feeling.
The best match.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For feeling, I thought that you ain't in bad track ini dan halas. You in the good track halas. And then after you come to Indonesia, what do you have specific plans?
My specific plan is to continue my here, what I have done here. So of course, it takes time to beginning again, but I will hope I can enjoy my if it hard, if it hard, because just this way. So I hope Allah give me, Allah give me uh, all helping for next this how.
Okay, so you always remember that lillah. Everything you did is lillah. Everything you got is from Allah. I think this is a very good belief, Miss Amanda. Not everyone can have like belief like Aini.
Yeah. And she's still young.
Yeah, she's still young, of course.
So
You still have a long.
because my I mean because I still young. I just think put lama asro when we when we begin it more early, when we get it early, so we can come it in finish early too. Our that's our decide because that as being not just about our stuff, not just about me, but because our is Muslim. We have obligation up not just ourselves, but is
Yep.
So are you coming back for good or just for holiday this April?
no for
Forever.
forever.
Oh, okay. So you'll graduate, right? Or have you graduated already?
Alhamdulillah. I
You've
have done
graduated.
Can we what is it? Is my personal? Just curious. We have talked about your future and where you are now. Can we ask about your past?
Your past.
Your past. Okay.
yes.
No. What the thing? I just curious. You graduate from which school or maybe boarding school or pesantren because this is Azhar,
Yes.
right? So you graduate from which
Boarding school.
Where?
boarding school? Which boarding school?
Islamic Islamic Teacher College, Gontor College.
Oh,
Oh, from
Gontor
Bangkok.
Putri. Yeah. So you studied Gontor 6 or 4 years?
Yes. My last school in Bogor is just elementary school. After that, I do study in Gontor in Java. After that, I going to abroad, Egypt.
Oh my God. Is there any special preparation for entering Azhar?
Before entering Azhar, oh, I think because I won from children, I very want to school in Azhar, so that's why I choose Gontor.
Oh, that's why. So you already make what is it? Plan that you want to study in Azhar.
Yes, but in the way it's very much distraction. I never applied to Brunei Darussalam, so it was I have to letter, but my visa Azhar is I just so for in Azhar I have ability to in the university. I have study in college, but just first semester. And alhamdulillah I have graduated from Azhar.
Okay. I have heard before that if we want to enter Azhar, we have to what is it? Memorize some juz in Quran, isn't it?
Yes,
now, if my son maybe or my student maybe wanna enter Azhar this year, how many days they need to prepare?
For Enter Azhar, maybe just advice is that
Okay.
to memorize your can be mungkin until because sanat here another so very sanat when we have done in Indonesia.
Okay.
So I felt in this age, maybe after 20, correctly Al-Quran is easy than when we are under 20. So I can be done Quran Indonesia when come to Azhar can be so is more easy than before.
Okay. So good. Amin. Amin.
Okay. So, hello everyone here. I would like to ask anything about to Miss Aini about feeling, about Al-Azhar, about Egypt, anything, yeah? Feel free. So, my daughter is a feeling, but she's an extrovert. So me as a sensing, I have to to learn a lot about this feeling person. And she also, like you, she loves telling stories. Like if me when I'm in a car, I just play with my handphone, right? We have to, like, I just told her, okay, tell stories, I'm listening, and she just keeps talking and talking. Is that true? It's true, right?
We don't need maybe don't need any praise, we just need attention.
Yeah, she's I mean, I think feeling person loves to be noticed, right? And the way I wake her up, I was like, hi Cantik.
Yes.
Oh my God, yeah.
Right, that's true, right? So I'm in the right track, mother.
So that's my father did. When I call, Assalamualaikum Putri Abi.
Okay,
Oh my
okay.
God, so sweet. Yes.
Even if my father is thinking introvert.
Oh,
Oh wow.
So from the way of study, feeling is study, but here, Janet, my mother has done for me is from elementary school. From elementary school, I have to study with people, with my friend. But
group studies, right?
yes, book study. But what I have done in my friend home is we playing games. Maybe we call Nintendo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, to play Nintendo. So I don't study. But my mother always before I exam morning after subuh, she always read for me. So I
Oh
very
yeah.
love this part of my mother is reading for me. So that's point why I felt difficult here because who study in Arabic literature is so little, just how many people, and no one can read book for me.
Oh, what sort of book is it? The study book or just a story book?
Study book.
Oh, study book. Okay, thank you. So I will do that to my daughter. Okay. Okay, this is what happened. Yeah, you just told me, right? So my daughter is in kindergarten 2. She's going to enter elementary. Okay, so she has private lessons at home with a private teacher. You know what happened? you know how they study with the teacher. The teacher is reading her the subject, and she's playing games in her mobile phone,
Just listening.
just exactly like her. So I was like, okay.
Okay. So, do you know what I have done? My graduation. I record my voice about the subject. When I felt I don't want to open book, I just play my recording of subject. This I have
Yep.
done.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Is it time? It's time with my student here. I'm teaching in Pesantren, right? So
Yes.
someday when I go home, and then the student, what is it like hold something? I just is hey hot phone? Is it forbidden for bringing phone, right? I come to him and then what are you doing? And then he showed me that what is it? This like recording. I just listen
Yes.
Quran, miss. I just listen my voice. Oh yeah, you're feeling yeah. Okay, just do. They love to listen voice, right? Even their own voice.
Mhm. So I just realized why my daughter is so easy. I said to her, "You're a self learner." I mean, like she just see tutorial from YouTube, and she can
Hmm.
design by herself, and she can play games
Yeah.
and so many things. So I just realized when Miss Aini told that she just have to listen. Okay, so that's how they learn.
Yes. Even more,
Yeah, the
your
way they
daughter
learn.
in golden age, right? Because I never felt when I memorized last juice, 30 juice. So I remember I I always follow my auntie to majlis, to
Teaching.
TPA.
Oh, majelis.
Uh,
Yeah.
TPA. I just playing, just running. So maybe I don't realize that I have memorized it. So now when I do memorize ayat, when do I memorize this juice. So I very say thanks to my mother, to my family who has listened me something good. So that because feeling can correct something positive and negative from their listener. So that's point we have to make what they listen is always positive.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Like Miss Hidayah told, study in alpha, right? Uh, Alpha that when you enjoy, so when you
Hmm.
don't feel sleepy, don't feel very what? Don't very focus. Just enjoy. Just maybe study like with chocolate.
Okay, okay. So you have to maintain your mood, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's true.
So hello everyone who just joined. What I was gonna ask you something, but it was just that I forgot. um.
Uh,
So
Miss, I mean, what is it? Is it what the way our study? You said before that even you in elementary school, your mom always reading for you after you woke up and blah blah blah. And then how about you when you study in university? You always read with loud voice or how? Recording?
Yes. When we study together, I recording what our discuss.
Okay.
I recording what we discuss, so I listen again. So I write, make just how many point, make in a several point. So that recording again. I recording
mm,
again. So I it when I cooking, when I eat, every time. Make
yeah,
this
yeah.
make I realize that's the subject. Uh, oh, I listen it when I eating. I listen it when I cooking. I listen it
Wah,
when
Okay, Miss Aini, I was wondering, during this pandemic, so everyone is having school at home, right?
Yes.
And this makes us as parents go a little bit nuts.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so do you have any tips? This is not for the children, but tips for the parents who have feeling child. What do you think the parents should do during the school from home?
Maybe for parents, there is wife and the mother and the father. They must make talking and sharing. That
Okay.
I
Talking and
think is
sharing.
very important because who else who else want to listen for problem in family? Because impossible if other people listen the problem from one family. That must from inside them, from themselves. The problem inside families, the solve must be solving by mother and father.
Thank you.
Very
Fortunately,
useful, very
my
useful
your
tips.
yeah, very useful because so many parents now it's going a little bit crazy because of
Yeah, not
they
easy
they
for
just
parents.
yeah, no, actually they just don't know how to deal with the child really. It's not the child doesn't have a problem, it's us because we used to put them at school and okay, teachers do the rest and then
Yeah,
parents just pick them up. We don't
yeah,
know how to handle. That's what I feel. Okay, so now we have to face them. We have, even though they're still studying by online, but still,
Online.
us, we have to know what to do with them, right?
Yeah,
yes.
yes.
The parenting is not just mother.
Yeah.
The parenting is about how mother and how father.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So
yes.
mom and dad has to work together. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Mom and
So
dad
Miss
have no
Umami,
their children. Yes, Samantha.
yeah, Miss Umami, we have new viewers now. Do you want to
Yeah,
explain again about how Stephen works?
yes. Okay. Thank you for joining our live. There is my friend. Some of them.
So, can mention
Can I
her,
greeting
mention
him?
them.
Yeah. Papri is our team actually in APS. Association
Oh,
Promoter Stephen. Yes, Papri. And
so
also there is Mbak Hani, our what is it, guest speaker the 2 weeks before, right?
Oh
oh
yeah,
yeah.
honey.
Yeah, and then there is
I
my
just, I just.
junior Ira, and then Pak Maman, and then this my not my student. I ever what is it? Doing training with young in one mock in S Jakarta, and there's one participant joining here. Irisma, and then Panizar is our team to in APS. And this my old friend, Mbak Binti, Kurniati Maulida, and also the other. Tapi there is Kak Nanda friends too, or Aini friends too. Yeah,
Yes,
this
Uh,
is my,
there is.
yeah, there is.
this is
So
okay, guys.
I will tell maybe one important that I felt from Stephen is about phenotype.
Hmm,
We know
Okay.
that
okay, not sure.
is 1%. The
What we are
genetic
now?
20% and 80%.
Yeah.
Yes. So the 20 is from genetic. Genetic is ourself. That's
Hmm.
is I'm feeling introvert. So 80 uh 80% environment.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you listen?
Yeah,
Can you
you
repeat
come
again?
back.
From 80%.
Yeah.
Yeah. The 80% is about environment, parenting. So when we live that the when we know the 20% of our genetic, we can setting up our 80% of environment. We can setting who the first our support system. We can setting who can study with us. we can say who can mentor, who can coach us in our way to get our profession. That's I think the important thing from phenotype. I just want to
Yes.
share it.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you for joining this live with Kak Amanda and Aini too. Yeah, we are talking about Stephen, right? Yeah,
Yes.
Stephen, what is it? This concept to what is it? To check, to know what determine of our brain, and what as Aini said before that we after we know the 20%, we will can accept anything. It's what I feel, Mbak Amanda. I need to. Because I'm teaching in pesantren, so I have many kind of students and also many kind of parents. And also our guest last week is one of our parents in our boarding school here. So when I meet student, I just, what's your type of teaching? And then they said, I'm teaching me so I can talk everything with them. And then there is a student, 7th grade, crying, blah, 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 boys. And then I just asking, what do you feel tired? I'm feeling this. Okay, just please, look, yeah. And then when I meet a student, there is like, what is it? They said he likes to explore anything. But in some teacher they said like bad. And then when they asked what is Stephen type, and then he said I'm intuiting. Okay, so we just and then after intuiting we can treat blah 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 blah, and then yeah, it's making easier. And I thought
Yes.
that you all guys, my friend, who joining this live, you have to try. You have to try that. What is it? It's make our thing, our life out easier because we know how to
Yes.
say, how to
Easier
what
than
is it?
before.
It's someone. Yes. That's so
So
useful.
Miss Umami,
Yeah.
at your school, you use
Hmm.
the Stephen system or just as a support?
No, we use different system only for two kind. The first one for motivation student, and then for communicate with students. The other thing for teaching, for what is it, learning, we still use another way. Because what is it, Stephen is a dynamic concept, right? Stephen is
Yeah.
dynamic concept. I'm personally joining what is it, many kind form of Stephen to make what is it, make like handout for teacher, for parent, and then after that I share to them. But the thing that we use until now is only for the two that one, motivating student and also what is it? Yeah, communicate with them.
Me also, I used Stephen. Actually, I'm not a promoter, but I learned individually about Stephen because you know why? Me,
What?
at home. I have two children, and I still live with my parents and one brother, and so we are
Okay.
seven of us at home.
Seven
Yeah.
percent.
7. Okay. You know what happened? There are all personal type of genetic there. Everything
Oh.
are there.
Wow.
So, but they are all extrovert. My son is instinct. The first one is instinct. The other, my husband is
Okay.
intuiting. My daughter is feeling. My mom feeling. My dad instinct, and my brother is thinking.
Okay.
Wow.
And I'm always a troublemaker. So
And then,
Because
I'm
Mamanda,
not.
sensing is
Yeah.
okay,
because sensing is cannot okay, Miss Umami, please.
no, no, no. No, I just wonder what is it? Before you knowing Stephen and then after you knowing Stephen, is it different in your family circle with kind of
Different.
young?
I knew Stephen 2016, and then I tested my
Okay.
husband 2017 December. And before I tested my husband, I fighting with him for 13 years.
Yes,
Okay.
can
Yeah.
relate it.
Even today, my daughter always complain, why is ayah like that? Why is ayah like this? I just told her, he lives in Mars, so you just say yes. Just say yes. Don't put so many things to him. And he was like, okay.
My mom, my brother and my sister is intuiting, so I can. Okay, I
So
felt.
you can imagine how to treat the intuition of him.
No, but intuiting is full support to feeling, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
yes,
So my husband is always full support to my daughter.
yes.
But your
But
daughter will
sometimes,
support you too, right?
we cannot.
Yeah.
We cannot. What? We cannot think what they want to do.
Yeah, I know. Even today,
It's very unique. It's very unique.
yeah, I mean, I was like, come on here. He was like, what do you call it? Those intuiting people, santuy.
Yes, very
Right?
santuy.
I was like, I have to be there at 10 o'clock. But I cannot drive fast. There are car in front of me. Do you want me to crash everything? I was like, okay. I said, just go fly.
That intuiting make us santuy, make us santuy from
Yeah,
before.
pakai something.
No,
I
not
have
for
I have
sensing.
best friend. My best friend.
Thank you,
My best friend, my
intuiting.
roommate. My best friend, my roommate. She's intuiting too. And then after After knowing her, I can explain anything more than sensing. I can
Okay, so
explain anything more than
yeah,
sensing
we
because
have
ya Allah, so intuitive. This what is it? After we coming home, they said that I want to eat noodle, and then after checking online food, they said I want to, and then finally buy burger. Oh my god! So
we have this intuiting here. Hello, Kimi.
I like
Hello, Miss
you.
Jimmy.
Yeah.
New intuiting
we-
coming.
yeah, last week we had this live with Miss Kimi, right? And it's so different
Yes.
with Miss Umami. I just, because I understand her, I was like, yeah, I know. I just said like that.
We just met
No,
this
I
is
know.
first time, right?
Yeah. And she started laughing. She was like, oh my God, you know me so well. Yeah, I know. I lived with someone for many years. Like that.
Because we are
I
sensing, so we have
love
sense.
feeling so much. So I love you too, Miss Jimmy.
I wish you. I thought we have to to meet up when you come to Indonesia, Kimi. Can we ask Miss
Yeah.
Miss Mbak Day to make forum for us when she came to Indonesia?
Yeah, I would love to meet you guys.
Inshallah. We should meet.
After Lebaran ya.
Yeah, after
After
Lebaran. So I'm
Lebaran,
in
yeah.
Bogor,
After Lebaran.
Miss Shandy in Depok, and Miss
Miss
Umami.
Day.
I mean Tangerang.
Oh.
Tangerang
Oh,
Selatan.
Tangerang.
Yes. Yeah.
We have one rail,
Then-
Jabodetabek.
Ya, Jabodetabek.
Yeah, it's near.
No, but
Jabodetabek near.
you know what? Me, I used KRL every commuter line wherever I want to go, right? To Bogor, Tangerang, all in Jabodetabek. I
Yeah.
use commuter line. So the last time I used commuter line was on 8th of March 2020, and then the next day we were locked down, right? And guess what? I've been and I've been 1 year already not using the commuter line because they said it's not really safe, so I just drive with my car everywhere.
Ya Allah,
Really,
we are so disciplined there. It's different with me. In pandemic, I just stay in home around 6 months. After that, I have visiting Banten. I go to Pandeglang. I go to Tasikmalaya. I go to Cirebon.
No, because
Yeah, with the
because
computer.
you are a teacher. I mean, you teach. You have things to do
Yeah.
offline. I'm an online person, so I just work everything at home. And you know what? As a sensing, I
You
got
have to do
stressed and I
diary
went
in
to the
home.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I went to the hospital after 6 months because I cannot go out. I'm an out. I go out every day, and then I cannot go out for 6 months, and I was hospitalized because of stress out.
So how can you manage your stress, Miss Sandy?
Me,
Yes.
I still do online. This is one thing I do live. Doing live is just so powerful for sensing people.
Yes.
Yeah, because you talk, right? And then doing physical work like in TikTok, I do
physical
TikTok,
work,
right?
Me too. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Or
I dance.
TikTok, right?
Yeah.
Artis TikTok.
No, I dance. Just learn what TikTok do. Sometimes I don't post what I dance. I just learn. I just learn the dance
Okay.
choreo for fun, for me, just for me, like that. That's how I do.
Oh, I know. Can you teach me after I come in Indonesia?
Iya.
Yes,
Me
and you know
too, me
what?
too, me too.
Actually,
Let's dance
yeah,
together.
I mean, actually, I'm already a mentor in one of the big community now as
Yes.
for making content stuff for TikTok.
It's cool.
Wow. Yeah, we have to
And
coloring
you know
TikTok
what?
with a positive
Yeah.
energy.
No, and you know what? People say TikTok is always dancing and doing ally stuff. It's not like that, you know.
No,
Because
not like that. Not like
us-
that.
yeah, because even if we are Muslim and if you don't want to show yourself, you can still do TikTok.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
I
So
agree.
TikTok
I
is
agree
becoming
with
the
it.
first,
yeah,
the biggest, the first one. What is the social media now?
yeah, the
Yes.
fastest actually. Like other social media, they need years to become very popular. This one, they just need 2 years because of pandemic, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. So the people need new, what is it? New entertainment, right? So you got TikTok, and then this,
Yeah.
the momentum is good
Uh,
for TikTok.
yeah. I don't think TikTok as just entertaining. I learned a lot from there. I mean, so many educational stuff going on there.
Wow.
Even my 2 children, I was like, go study in TikTok. I said because they can find so many useful things there, but you need to control them,
Yeah.
right? What to
Yes.
see.
Yes.
That's it. So, Miss
Exactly.
Umami, just one tip for you as a teacher. This is what I saw in TikTok, and it's really good. You don't ban children from using TikTok. Don't say that TikTok
No.
is haram or something. But you know what you have to do? You have a subject like arts, something like that, music.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what you have to do? Give them task to make a TikTok content, and then if they're good, then you can give them a good mark.
Exactly what we did here
Yeah.
in our body school here. We allow students to hang what is it, have fun once in a week. And then today is what is it? Today is holiday, right? But we still
Yeah.
have activity. But the activity they have to make a content for TikTok, for
Yeah.
YouTube, for this depend on them. They can choose
Yes.
because we can use no technology at all.
Educational. For make it education.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
make it educational. Yes,
And
exactly.
especially for people like if they are good at maybe painting, singing,
Mm,
or art stuff or skill stuff, you know, they can really show themselves in TikTok because
yeah.
that's
Yeah.
just a good platform
So
for people who
Yes.
have skills.
I agree.
and
I
easy to
agree.
use.
We
My
just
friend said that
Yeah.
we
TikTok easy
can
to use.
useful the platform as the positive vibes.
Yeah.
Not make
Yeah,
it
that's the
negative.
point.
Yeah. Okay, so I don't think we have questions here, Miss Umami, Miss Aini. I think explanations from both of you is just so complete.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Alhamdulillah.
yeah, alhamdulillah. So I think we are already having 1 hour chit chat here. So
It's
Yeah.
thank
really?
you. Yeah, 1 hour.
Yes, already
Oh.
1 hour. We didn't like that. It's already 1 hour.
We didn't
Thank,
realize it. We didn't
yeah.
realize it.
So if we meet, maybe it will be like 5 hours, 6 hours chit chat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So any one last word for Miss Agni?
My last word is uh be you want to be what you want to be what you want to be.
Okay, Miss Mami, anything?
Yeah, just I thought that everyone, especially for mother and for parents, they have to know they children. And Stephen is one tool for know the themselves and the children as well. So everyone has to know the Stephen. This it's honestly
As a
it's
as a
used
guideline.
that everyone they have to yes.
Okay. So
So
thank
maybe
you for
I have
yeah.
last word. Just enjoy our process and just enjoy what our need. Don't forget because we have Allah by our side.
Okay, good one. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you, Miss Aini. Thank you, Miss Umami. Very nice time chatting with you.
Most
Hope what
welcome.
we are sharing today is have benefits for you people. And hope we can meet again next week with new
Inshallah.
guest star. Yeah, okay. Thank you. See you next
Thank you
week.
everyone.
Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you Amy. Thank you
Thank
Amanda.
you, Miss
Thank you
Sandy.
all.
Thank you, Miss Umami.
Welcome.